Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening both the workbook that contains the numbers and the workbook where you want them reflected. Once both are visible, select the destination cell and type an equal sign to start a live link. Make sure to click the source workbook, and then the exact source cell, you will see the reference appear. If you need the reference to remain fixed, add $signs for absolute addresses, otherwise leave it relative so it moves when copied. Once you have the first link in place, copy it across the range using drag or copy/paste. Make sure you use $ if you want the same source cell repeated. If linking between workbooks, Excel will create a full path for closed files. Once done, check Excel's Edit Links dialog to update or change the source. When copying to multiple cells, pause to confirm each link points where you expect, because mixed absolute and relative addressing is the most common source of errors. To finish, save both workbooks and test the connection by changing a source number. You should see the destination update immediately if both are open, or update after reopening if closed. If you encounter #ref or stale values, make sure the source file path, workbook name, and sheet name match exactly. Also check for renamed or moved files. One key troubleshooting tip: use the Edit Links dialog to update, change source, or break links so you can repair any broken references quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.